Hi guys, we've just entered Victoria Falls National Park. It is a park and this is number 2, but I'm scared the rainbow will disappear. So I'm going to start with a rainbow. And the native people used to call this the smoke vat funders. I hope you can hear me. This is actually scary, people. This is... oh my goodness. I'm just going to show you another rainbow now. Look how pretty. This is part of a Zambezi. It's not the whole Zambezi. It's a little bit of a Zambezi. So now we're actually at the main falls. The previous bit was only a sort of side stream. Okay guys, we are at the Victoria Falls. We're wet, not because it's raining, it's just because of all this water and the mist and the spray. Let me show you. Now, this waterfall is not the longest waterfall, it's not the highest waterfall, it doesn't take the most water, but it's the most spectacular waterfall. It is
Zambezi River?
Okay, yes, it's the Zambezi River tumbling over the rocks. Zambezi forms high in the mountains of Angola, and it takes 6 months for the water to get here. And so that's why, even though the rain season has stopped about in February, this river is just really still draining over these rocks. It will be high till about October. They really built it up to Cairo. Could you go by train from Cape Town to Cairo?
Not now.
Once upon a time?
It was little pieces that was bulked through the mechanic and a bit further north at the bottom.
Let's go.